What is up, everybody? Sven Diesel here. We've got the new Traeger Flatrock here. We're going to go ahead and get it seasoned up. Let's check it out. Boom! So I'm going to turn the knobs and just be a little careful because they'll stick on the high. Just have to do a slight turn back to the ignite. So we got some gas going. Make sure your propane is open. Click and hold the ignite and you'll see right here that the burners will light up. You can also hear it, and then I'll just go ahead and crank it down to high is what it says in the instructions. Don't worry, we're just reading up on how to do this. Now I'm just using a cast iron seasoning here, and I'm going to put down a generous amount. The instructions said 3 to 4 tablespoons. We're going to do about 5 coats. I found that it's easier if you put a little bit more. It makes it easier to spread around, and just make sure to cover all the cracks and corners and sides, and then you'll see we got a little bit left over there, and that's pretty good. And then I'll take about 2 or 3 little clumps of paper towels here and just lightly go over to get all the excess off. And I'm just going to rotate it, flip it over, and keep doing that. Hey, Odin, are you just waiting? Are you waiting? The waiting game is about 10 minutes, and then it will kind of stop smoking. It also depends how thick you put it on. If you wipe it on, do thin layers, it goes a little bit quicker. So we've done our 5 layers. The last step here. Power it off, let it cool. And here you can see I've got about 5 layers on there. Looks really, really awesome. I'm super stoked to cook on this, but we've got this seasoned now, and it is ready to go. And here we go, new Traeger product powered by propane.